Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Khalid Saufi bin Raisin and my metric number is 200837. So today I'm going to show you how we solve the reduction of order equation. So let's get started. So given the question is solve d square plus 3d minus 4y equal to 4 exponential x minus 10. Okay, firstly we have to write down the auxiliary equation to find the roots. So we know d square plus 3d minus 4y equal to 0. And then we use the auxiliary equation to find the roots. We have m square plus 3m minus 4 equal to 0. So we can, from this equation, we can find the roots, which is m equal to 1 and also m equal to minus 4. Okay, now we can find the equation of yc. Find yc. So yc equal to c1 exponential x plus c2 exponential, we have negative 4, so exponential negative 4x. Okay, now after we get yc, we need to let y equal to v exponential x. Okay, so when we look this equation, we have the highest order of power degree is 2. So we need to differentiate y to become y the power of 2. And the other words, y prime, we differentiate this vex, we get v exponential x plus v prime ex. And then we find y double prime, because the highest order is 2, the power degree. So we differentiate this, we can get vex plus v prime ex plus, so for this we get v prime ex plus v double prime ex. So we simplify this. For this we get 2 v prime ex plus v double prime ex. So we have done the differentiation for y. We get y prime and y double prime. So from this we need to substitute y prime and y double prime into the original equation. So from the original equation, which is d power of 2 plus 3d minus 4y equal to 4 exponential x minus 10. From this d square, we substitute with y double prime. So we write down this, we get v exponential x plus 2v prime exponential x plus v double prime exponential x plus this 3 times d. d, which is y prime. So 3 times y prime vex plus 3 this v prime ex. Okay, now this settle minus 4. So minus 4, which means that minus 4 times by y. So minus 4, this is the equation of y. So negative 4 v exponential x equal to this 4 exponential x minus 10. Okay, so next we simplify this. We get v exponential x minus v exponential x plus 3, we get 4. 4 minus 4 equal to 0. So we can cut this down. So we only have this and this. So we write down 2v prime ex plus v double prime ex this we get 5. So 5 v prime ex plus v double prime ex equal to 4 ex minus 10. Okay, from this we can simplify by get rid of this ex by dividing with exponential x. So we get y, we get 5 v prime plus v double prime equal to 4 minus 10 exponential negative x. Okay, from this equation we also can write like this to see where is px, because we need to apply the concept of integrating factor. So the next step is integrating factor. From this we know the value of px is 5. So when px is 5, we use the integrating factor to find the solution. So exponential integrate 5 dx, we get exponential 5x. Okay, next we multiply both sides with this exponential 5x. Okay, so we multiply both sides. Left hand side we get exponential 5x multiplied by v prime plus y plus 5 v double prime plus 5 v prime equal to exponential. So at the right hand side we also multiply by exponential 5x multiply with 4 minus 10 exponential negative x. Okay, from this equation we can write down like this. Times with v prime equal to this, we multiply into the bracket, we get 4 exponential 5x minus 10, 5 minus 1, 5x minus 1x, we get exponential 4x. Okay, next we get this. So all we have to do is we need to find the value of v. So from this, firstly we have to integrate this equation. 4 exponential 5x minus 10 exponential 4x. So from this we integrate this, we get 4 over 5 exponential 5x minus 5 this 10 over 4 exponential 4x plus constant. So this is the constant. So we can simplify this, become minus 5 over 2 exponential 4x plus a1. So this, from this we can get rid of exponential 5x, because from this we know exponential 5x times v, we need the subject for this equation is only v prime. So all of this have to divide by exponential 5x. So we get v prime 4 over 5 exponential 5x divided by exponential 5x, we get 4 over 5 minus 5 over 2 exponential 4x divided by exponential 5x, we get 5 over 2 exponential negative x. So a1 divided by exponential 5x, we get a1 exponential negative 5x. Okay, so we need to find the value of v. To find v, we have to integrate v prime. So integrate v prime, meaning that we integrate this equation dx. So we get the value of v. So we integrate 4 over 5, we get 4 over 5x. This 5 over negative 5 over 2 exponential negative x, we integrate this, we get positive 5 over 2 exponential ex. And then for this a1 exponential negative 5x, we get integrate 1 over 5 a1 exponential negative 5x plus constant a2. So this is our constant. So from this equation we have the value of v. So we can write the general solution for this equation, which is the general solution is y equal to v ex. So we convert, or we insert the value of v, the equation of v inside this equation, we get 4 over 5x plus 5 over 2 exponential negative ex negative x minus 1 over 5 a1 exponential negative 5x plus a2 times with exponential x. Okay, so we times this to all of this component inside. So 4 over 5x times with exponential x, we get 4 over 5x exponential x, and then plus 5/2 exponential negative x times with exponential x, we get 1, so no need to write 1, we only have 5/2. So for this, negative exponential negative 5x times with exponential x, we get a1/5 exponential negative 4x, because negative 5 plus 1, we get negative 4x. So lastly, the constant a2 times with exponential ex, we get a2 exponential ex. So this is the solution for this question, the reduction of order. That's all from me. Thank you so much.